So why would you want to go to a cosmetic dentist? I've had a number of people ask me that, and particularly family members that are looking for a cosmetic dentist in other places around the country. There is a good reason to go to a cosmetic dentist. A cosmetic dentist is going to have a tendency to look at the restoration that he's doing, whether it's in the back teeth or in the front teeth, and achieve making the tooth look and feel and act as much like a real and natural tooth as he can, because that's kind of the angle that he looks at restoring teeth from. The other thing too that's going to happen is that the cosmetic dentist is going to have a tendency to look at getting the tooth restored and getting the smile fixed in a way that when it's all done, he gets to get this picture at the very end. Okay, now this is something that we do. Now I've discovered something about this. When you start off and you start fixing somebody's teeth and you are planning to make them look real pretty and you want them to be super nice, and then when you get to the end you're going to get this picture. And that picture's got to have a beautiful smile, that patient's got to look all super happy and everything, and I'm going to get the picture. Well, I've discovered along the way, if they have a less than optimum experience, if they get hurt or if anything happens to them that's not right, you know, it doesn't look right, it doesn't feel right, it hurts or anything like that, when you get to the end and you get ready to take that picture, it isn't going to happen. Okay, so years and years and years has taught us to spend a lot of time looking at what do you have to do for the patient, how do you have to treat them, how do you have to manage the discomfort of getting the dental work done so that when they get to the end, they're actually sitting there going, oh my gosh, this experience was way better than I thought. Because when they have that in their eye and in their feelings, and I put all the teeth on and they look beautiful, I'm going to get a real good picture there. And of course, anytime you muff that up or don't do that right, it kind of knocks a little bit out of it. So you don't want to get to the end of your little project and have that beautiful smile all there. But that patient had to be roughed up a little bit to get there. And so when that happens, you don't really get that picture, or you maybe get a picture that you don't really want to put up as a before and after. So when you're looking at before and afters, take a look at what that smile really does look like on that patient. Are they really happy with what happened? I think if you look at that and you see that, you're going to see something about what really did happen to that patient there. So just, you know, to help you, I want you to know that we're very aware of how that is and how that can help the patient, and how part of the whole cosmetic smile thing is not just how it looks at the end, but what it took to actually get there. That way the experience can be as good as it possibly can, and that things went just as good as you could hope for.